My name is Kristen Ebeling. I am the executive director of Skate Like a Girl, which is a nonprofit based here in Seattle. Having effective methods for pretty much everything. So if a kid gets hurt, down to how we're collecting everyone's medical information, making sure that you have just really solid policies and procedures all laid out. And it's gonna feel really grueling, but it's really a terrible feeling to have to go back and make those policies retroactively. So really thinking ahead and thinking about all the worst case scenarios that could happen and how you're gonna make sure that you have the structures in place. If I was able to carve all of that out first, that would have saved me a lot of heartache over the years. Inevitably, it's summer camp. Kids are kids, things can happen. So not only having policies and procedures for when things happen, but having a really good customer service process and policy so you can make sure people feel heard and you can give them a menu of options and be able to just make it right. So I've messed up a lot of stuff. I brought the wrong pads size for a kid. The mom told me the kid was 10 years old and I brought pads I thought would fit a 10-year-old and the kid was a lot bigger than your average 10-year-old, and so that kid couldn't skate with us that day. And so having policies to give refunds as needed and to build that into your budget, we're all human beings and trying our best, but definitely having good customer service goes so far. We're in a culture where there's Yelp and still word of mouth, and most of your business when you're small is going to come from people's positive experience, and your detriment is going to come from people's negative experience because word will spread. So definitely building that into your budget and your policy to provide really excellent customer service.